In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app. From Launcher Studio Developer, Launcher OS. When your app is ready, you need to access Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to hit Apps. Click on Choose Default Apps. Tap on Home app and click on Launcher Pro to apply it. Then select Allow All and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, you can always access Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default one, access the same settings and tap on Samsung Home app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!